Hey there, friends! Ready to make your home life a whole lot easier? I've got some awesome gadgets to share with you today that'll do just that. Let's dive in and check out these 5 smart devices that'll revolutionize your daily routine. First up, we've got the smart plug. Now, this little guy is a real game changer. Imagine controlling any device in your home right from your phone or with just your voice. Pretty cool, right? You can turn on your lights, fire up your fan, or even get your coffee brewing before you even roll out of bed. It's like having a personal assistant for all your electronics. Next on our list is the robot vacuum. Oh man, this one's a lifesaver. Say goodbye to those tedious hours spent pushing a vacuum around. This smart little buddy will cruise around your floors, picking up dirt and dust while you kick back and relax. Or hey, maybe catch up on some work if you're feeling productive. Just set it up once and boom, clean floors without lifting a finger. Third on our list are motion sensor lights. These are perfect for those of you who are always forgetting to turn off the lights. Guilty as charged. They only turn on when you need them, which means you're saving energy and cash on your electric bill. Pop these in your hallways, bathrooms, or closets, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. All right, number 4 is something I'm really excited about: the smart water bottle. We all know staying hydrated is important, but let's be honest, sometimes we forget. This clever bottle tracks how much water you're drinking and gives you friendly reminders to take a sip. It's like having a little health coach right there on your desk or in your bag. Last but definitely not least, we've got the mini air purifier. This compact wonder is perfect for keeping the air in your room fresh and clean. It filters out dust, allergens, and all those other nasties floating around. If you've got a small bedroom or a home office, this gadget is a must-have for breathing easy. So there you have it, folks. These 5 smart gadgets are total game changers when it comes to making life at home easier and more comfortable. They'll save you time, energy, and a whole lot of effort. Plus, they're just plain cool to have around. Think about it. With the smart plug, you can start your day with freshly brewed coffee waiting for you. Your robot vacuum buddy has already tidied up while you were sleeping. As you walk to the kitchen, motion sensor lights guide your way without wasting electricity. Your smart water bottle reminds you to stay hydrated throughout the day, and your mini air purifier keeps your workspace feeling fresh and clean. It's like living in the future, but the best part is, it's all available right now. These gadgets aren't just convenient, they can actually help you build better habits and create a more comfortable living space. And let's be real, who doesn't want that? Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great, but where do I start? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. In the description below, you'll find links to check out each of these awesome gadgets. Take a look, see which ones catch your eye, and start transforming your home into a smart, efficient paradise. Remember, it's not about complicating your life with more tech. It's about finding smart solutions that make your day-to-day easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking to simplify your routine, these gadgets have something to offer everyone. So what are you waiting for? Give these smart gadgets a try and see how they can make your life at home a whole lot easier. Trust me, once you experience the convenience, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. That's all for today, friends. I hope you found this rundown helpful and maybe even a little inspiring. If you've got any questions or want to share your own favorite smart home gadgets, drop a comment below. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making your home life awesome. Until next time, stay smart and stay comfy.